Hey Mike, I just wanted to explain this cabinet system here. Here's what it looks like from with the doors on. You can see it consists of a upper cabinet here, then there's a space, and this lower unit, um, it's just going to sit on top of the countertop. So what this is going to do is this door is going to flip up and then slide back into this space here. So we're going to use flipper door hardware, but we'll just mount it up underneath this cabinet here instead of on the side. So again, it's going to flip up and slide back. Um, some key things to remember when you're putting this in. Um, so I took the doors off so you can see the interior a little better. Um, so basically we want these edges to line up with each other, be flush, and then we want to put some blocking on this wall to be able to fasten this side of the cabinet to. And at this point, I'm not sure if we should make this, so we can slide this in after the countertop goes on or do it before. Um, but hopefully that'll give you some guidance on what I had in mind here.